So this next exercise I'm going to show you is known as Virasana, right? There's a similar one that's called Vajrasana, so I won't worry too much about the names. This is a pretty strong pose, especially if you have issues with the knees, so just be mindful of that. So you'll place a yoga block between your feet. You can either have it higher or in the lower position, okay? This is the modified form. Usually we do this without a block, but I think modification is a nice way. And what you're going to do, without arching your back, you're going to slowly exhale, sit down onto the block, and then you're going to inhale and you're going to come back up. You might find that that is really difficult for you to do, so you may only go halfway, and that's okay. You exhale down, you inhale up. Right? You'll do multiple repetitions, your legs and quads will start to get tired. And then once you've had enough, you slowly lower yourself down into this seated position, right? Hips are relatively neutral. And then from here, this is a fairly traditional yogic posture for dealing with the digestive system. These are some modifications I've come up with. You'll take your hands down, and what you're going to do is you're going to exhale to slowly lower and inhale to lift. You're going to feel that putting some pressure on the abdomen, which is what we want, right? Exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, and then you're going to stay in that position after a few reps. So I'm going to move this block only to show you a way to modify this is you can place a block or a book or whatever here for your head to rest on. And in this position, you just let yourself relax and kind of let your thighs press into your tummy, right? And you'll stay there for a few breaths and then place this block back. And then you slowly bring yourself up to a seated position. A way to work deeper into this is you clasp your hands and then you place the hands on your abdomen and gently squeeze the heel of the hand inward. It's going to be like you're pinching your stomach, pinching your abdomen in between your hands, and then you exhale and you lower and you let the elbows fall. And that creates this really weird, uncomfortable sensation in the abdomen, but what you're trying to do is actually just massage the intestinal wall. I know that sounds kind of weird and crude, but it's really effective. And same thing, you do multiple repetitions, and then you come down to the bottom, you hold the position, and then you come back up. If you have knee issues, the other video that I showed you with Apanasana is probably better and easier for you to deal with, because this can be a lot on the knees if you have trouble. And same thing, after doing multiple repetitions, take your time. Notice the effects that it has on your abdomen.